everyone, it's Miss Brielle from the Lakeland Public Library, and I'm here to tell you more about some tales and tales around our great city. Today I'm at lovely Lake Mirror to learn more about Toby's Water Warriors. I'm here with Sandra, Toby, and Ollie, who are going to tell us more. Tell us about Toby. Who is he and what does he want us to know?
Toby is our turtle friend, and he is one of the turtles that helps teach us why it's important to keep our lakes clean. And Toby the turtle has other friends that live at the lake, including Ollie the otter. We also have Finn the fish and Hope the heron.
Let's talk about the lakes in Lakeland. How many are there?
We actually have 38 named lakes in Lakeland. In fact, 2 of them are even named after early settlers that lived here way a long time ago, Lake Hollingsworth and Lake Parker.
What kind of animals make our lakes their home?
We have lots and lots of animals that live at the lake. Turtles, otters, fish, ducks, swans, alligators, snails, even frogs and insects. And some of the insects are so tiny, you even need a microscope to see them.
Tell us about some things that can be harmful to our beautiful lakes.
So anything that gets dumped into our lakes, such as litter or chemicals like oil and paint, can be harmful to the animals that live there. They drink the water, and sometimes animals think that litter looks like food to them and they try and eat it.
I don't live near a lake, but there are storm drains in my neighborhood. Where does the water that goes into those drains end up?
All the drains in the city of Lakeland, all the storm drains, drain to one of our lakes or ditches or stormwater ponds, creeks, or wetland areas.
What happens to the animals when trash makes its way to our lakes?
So trash can get into the lake by going through the storm drain during storm events, and that trash can cause all kinds of problems for our animals. They can get tangled in it, they can try and eat it, and it is just very harmful for the animals that live there.
What things does the city of Lakeland do to take care of our lakes and the animals that live in them?
The city of Lakeland has lots of exciting programs that help take care of our lakes and keep them clean. We take water samples out of the lakes, send them to the laboratory. They check for different kinds of pollution. We also take care of the plants in our lake because plants are really important in keeping the water clean and filtering. We also have street sweepers, we have stormwater ponds, we have pollution control devices, we have environmental code enforcement that's out there keeping an eye on everything, and we also have volunteers and city staff that go around and clean our shorelines.
What can we do at home to help keep our lakes and animals safe?
So a couple of things that are important to do is always throw garbage in the garbage can or the recycling bin, and by doing that you're already on our team.
Finally, what can I do to become a Toby's Water Warrior?
So to become a Toby's Water Warrior, like we just said, you can make sure you throw garbage in the garbage can or the recycling bin, and that keeps it out of our storm drains and our lakes. And one more thing you can do is teach your family and friends and your parents even why it's important not to throw litter out the car window or on the ground. And by doing that, you can become one of Toby's Water Warriors. So Toby and Ollie, it's so great to have you here. So I have to ask one question. Are the kids doing a really good job in keeping our lakes clean and throwing the garbage in the garbage can or the recycling bin? If they are, can we get a high five today?
Thank you, Sandra, Ollie, and Toby for telling us more about Toby's Water Warriors. All right, guys, I will be back in 2 weeks for another video on more tales and tales in our city. Until then, make sure you're reading and logging your time into Beanstack so you can come get your prizes at any of our 3 library locations. And don't forget to also come pick up a craft kit. See you in 2 weeks.